Welcome to the Opportunity Multiplier Joyshop, where opportunity got real. This isn't just any training. Most trainings teach you what to do. This one, it changed how people think, act and lead. They walked in skeptical but curious. But by the end, they cracked open blind spots, reframed problems into power plays, and turned passive work into proactive wins. They explored influence without authority, decoded value beyond sales targets, and designed solutions that stick. And pitched it perfectly, that left the room thinking deeply about what they could change in their current setups. And most importantly, memories that will last forever. They realized that opportunities don't just appear, you create them. The question is, what will you multiply next? DM Opportunity to learn more.